Hi and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply your custom fonts or a custom font here on Cheetah. Okay, so let's say that here on Cheetah, you have like this amount of fonts that is already included on Cheetah, but you want to include like more fonts like this as a custom font. So you will see that I already applied Alexandria, Comic Sans, Lotto Black. Okay, if I choose like if I choose this text, okay, and I choose, I don't know, Alexandria, you'll see that it will change. Okay, if I choose Comic Sans, it's the same, but in order to do this, we have to go to a page called 1000 fonts, something like that. So we're gonna type 1000 fonts up, 1001 fonts, 1001fonts.com. So we're gonna go into that website, and you will see all the amount of fonts that we have here. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this Honey Bear font, and we're gonna click on download. Okay, you will see that it will download it into your computer. Okay, has a zip file, and then we're gonna go to Cheetah, go to personal, go to elements, panel, settings. I'm sorry, settings, page. We're gonna go to page, font, and then you will have the option here to apply your own font. Okay, we're gonna click on it, and it will ask you to select a file this is the extension. So since we just downloaded the file here on our browser has a zip file, we have to go into the download file on our computer, and we have to unzip it. Okay, we have to make sure to unzip it on a folder that we can find. So after we click on this option here, it will take us to the directory of our computer. So since I just downloaded into my download file, we're gonna go to my folder, and we're gonna select the file that I just downloaded, which is Honey Bear. Okay, we're gonna save as a personal font, and we're gonna put here a name. For me, that will be Honey Bear, so it will be to identify the font. So we're gonna save the personal font. Okay, you can see down here that it was success. So the next step is by selecting the text, going over here, and if we go all the way down, we can see the fonts that are already here, and the fonts that I just uploaded. So you will see the Honey Bear font here. If I choose the Honey Bear, you will see that I have my funny Honey Bear font over here. Okay, so the next step is by choosing a line height so it can fit better. You can see something like this, so you can see that you just uploaded like a custom font here on our website.